In this video, I will give you a demo of You Need a Budget or YNAB and a review. Pros. YNAB. YNAB's greatest strength lies in its proactive, zero-based budget approach, which gives users every focus on every dollar. The method promotes mindful spending and ensures that your money is allocated according to your personal priorities, not just tracking after it is spent. This system is particularly effective for helping users break paycheck to paycheck cycles, reduce their debt, and build up savings. YNAB encourages forward thinking by helping you plan for upcoming bills, large purchases, or unexpected emergencies. Its real-time syncing across devices makes it ideal for many households managing finances together. The app is also very flexible, with goal tracking, which makes it easy to use to save towards a specific financial milestone. With its visual progress updates and strong security measures and bank-grade encryption, your financial data will remain secure. Many users also report life-changing transformations considering and using YNAB. Another major advantage of the educational value of You Need a Budget provides. The platform also goes beyond budgeting tools to teach users how to manage their money more effectively through webinars, blog posts, and highly effective and active user communities. This emphasis on learning empowers users to not just use the tools but understand the logic behind it. Frequent updates and responsive customer support ensures that all software continues to improve and adapt to all the users' needs. You Need a Budget's strong focus on its mobile and web accessibility allows many users to update budgets and record transactions all on their go. The app also integrates well with many different banks or credit unions in the US and abroad, which makes it functional for international users or for those who want to feel in complete control over their money. You Need a Budget provides one of the most hands-on, empowering experiences available in personal finance softwares. Despite its strengths, You Need a Budget is not a benefit and not the best fit for everyone. The biggest barrier for most users is its steep learning curve. Unlike traditional budgeting apps, it's simply tracking expenditures. It requires users to actively assign income and adjust categories regularly. Which can be very overwhelming for those who are unfamiliar with zero-based budgeting or those looking for a set-it-and-forget-it solution. While banking syncing is available, its occasional and experienced delays or disconnected, requiring manual updates that can frustrate many users. Another downside of You Need a Budget does include its investment tracking, net worth monitoring or integrated billing payment features. This may be less suitable for users looking for an all-in-one financial app. Additionally, while the transaction matching system is still improving, it sometimes miscategorizes or makes duplicate entries. Furthermore, You Need a Budget hand-on style can feel a massive burden for many casual users. It demands regular engagement and intentionality, which can find many time-consuming or tenuous tasks over a long period. The mobile app, though sleek and functional, lacks a few features found in its web application, such as deeper reporting, reconciliation tools, and more. For those managing irregular incomes or freelance work, the app can be a lot harder to navigate without some budgeting experience. It's also worth noting that the app does not offer automatic rollovers in the traditional sense. Unused funds may be manually reassigned, which can be very confusing at first. While the supportive YNAB community is a strength, the absence of direct phone support can make troubleshooting slower for some users. Overall, You Need a Budget is powerful, but it comes with a steep learning curve and commitment requirement. Pricing. You Need a Budget subscription costs $15 per month or $100 per year, positioning at the premium end of personal finance tools. For many users, the cost is justifiable by the long-term financial benefit and behavioural change that many users will get. The subscription includes unlimited accounts, goal setting, reporting, real-time syncing, all with no ads or even data selling. YNAB also offers a 34-day free trial, which is long enough to experience a full budget cycle and evaluate its impact. Students with a valid email address can use You Need a Budget for free for 1 year, which makes it especially attractive for younger users or for those just starting out. The platform is transparent about pricing, with no hidden fees or tiered plans. Its value lies in helping users save hundreds or even thousands of dollars by building better habits. That said, the price can still be a huge barrier compared to those on new or even budgeting tools or in financial distress. Unlike free or low-cost alternatives, You Need a Budget demands a financial commitment before you see results. The lack of monthly billing options for the annual plan may also be a huge drawback for many users who seek more flexibility. Some may hesitate to pay nearly $100 per year for an app that does not offer features such as investment tracking or credit score monitoring. Since You Need a Budget's value is heavily tied to how often it's used, inconsistent engagement may feel the cost can be unjustifiable. While many users find it pays for itself through smarter financial decisions, others may prefer apps with fewer features but a lower upfront cost. It's better suited for those who are ready to make a budgeting decision and a conscious part of their routine. Ease of use. You Need a Budget has a sleek, polished interface that looks very modern and professional, both on desktop and on its mobile app. Setting up an initial budget takes some time, but the app guides the users through the whole process with helpful and simple tips. Once you understand the principle, such as assigning money only when it's available and aging your dollars, the workflow becomes a lot smoother. Regularly use its essentials as the expert, and you can actively adjust your categories and reallocate funds as circumstances change. The transaction register is easy to use and offers bulk editing, reconciliation tools, search functionalities, and more. Budgets are displayed in a clean grid and very easy to look at, with real-time updates which makes financial planning feel interactive and empowering. You Need a Budget rewards consistency and engagement with a strong sense of financial control. However, new users often find themselves initially confused about YNAB's terminology and approach. Phrases such as age your money or true expense are unique to You Need a Budget and can take you getting some used to. Unfortunately, the app offers a wealth tutorial, live classes and friendly customer support for the ease of transition or for many beginners. The mobile app is well integrated and supports most features, including transaction entries, category editing, viewing reports. Still, it can feel very cramped on a smaller screen, especially for power users that want to see more data all at once. Despite its complexity, You Need a Budget ultimately has become an intuitive for many users who invest the time into understanding and using it regularly to help build better financial habits for them and their family, with the experience being smooth and rewarding. Compared to competitors. Compared to tools like Simplify, Monarch Money, Rocket Money, or Mint, You Need a Budget stands out for its philosophy-driven budgeting methods. While most apps passively show spending habits, You Need a Budget actively trains users to plan ahead and reassign their money as needed. Unlike Simplify, which automates most of the process, You Need a Budget requires users to touch every dollar, which leads to a greater financial awareness but is more effort. It lacks features such as credit score monitoring, investment tracking, found in tools like Personal Capital or Empower, but this allows users to focus fully on budgeting. However, if you're looking for a tool that does everything, budgeting, investment, credit card tracking, billing reminders, You Need a Budget will fall short. Competitors like Monarch offer a more comprehensive dashboard and joint household features for more visual and modern designs. Free options such as Now, Retirement or Mint offer convenience and automation, but at the cost of your privacy and data security. You Need a Budget's biggest advantage over its competitors is its way of helping users change their financial behaviours rather than just monitoring their spending. Overall, You Need a Budget or YNAB is a powerful, method-driven personal finance app designed to help all users take full advantage and control of their money through zero-based budgeting. Unlike traditional trackers, You Need a Budget encourages a proactive planning and assigning every dollar a specific job, helping users break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. While it requires a commitment and regular use and interaction, and its learning curve which is quite steep, many users find it very useful. Although it lacks features such as investment tracking and bill pay, its focused design delivery on exceptional value for many users who seriously manage their day-to-day finances. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.